Hey, it's Michael from Diecast Model Reviews, and today I'll be unboxing my new Mercedes-Benz SL65 AMG by Maisto Special Edition. Again, this is my 10th car from the cars I bought at Costco the other day, and this is actually my first or second Mercedes I have, and this is probably one of my favorite Mercedes convertibles, and I really like the color that it came in, so let's get started unboxing it. The box, same as all the other ones, so nothing different at all there. Taking it out. There it is on the platform, like all the other ones. And it requires 2 screws. There it is. I'll be doing a review for this later, so if you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comment section below, and I'll see you next time. Bye.